This training video will provide an overview of using Respondus Lockdown Browser and Monitor as a student. At the end of this video, you will be able to identify restrictions applied to an assignment, launch Respondus Lockdown Browser and Monitor, understand the types of requirements set by an instructor prior to starting an assignment, and successfully complete an assignment and close Respondus Lockdown Browser and Monitor. Before taking your assignment, you can identify the restrictions applied to your assignment by hovering over the icons next to the assignment name. Once you click into the assignment, you will see a restrictions screen that informs you of the assignment requirements determined by your instructor. Lockdown Browser will lock down your computer and not allow you to open any other web tabs or applications other than WebAssign. Lockdown Browser with Monitor will do the same, but will also require a webcam recording during the assignment. You'll want to make sure you're using the latest version of Lockdown Browser to get started. When you're ready, click Launch. You will need to meet the requirements set by your instructor, which may include taking a photo, showing your ID, or checking your environment. When you've satisfied the requirements, click Begin Exam. Once you're in the assignment, you'll notice you cannot open any other tabs. If you're using the monitor, you'll also notice that the recording is in progress with the indicator in the top right of your screen. Once you finish the assignment, you can close it by clicking the Stop Recording and Exit button in the top right of the screen. If you're only using Lockdown Browser and not Monitor, you can just toggle away from the assignment and close the application. Thank you for watching this training video on WebAssign. For additional resources, please check out our student help site.